Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode I'll be guiding you through how to video call on Skype. Calling Skype contacts on Skype is always free, but to call a mobile phone or landline through Skype requires Skype credit or a subscription. Watch the video till the end to learn how to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your Skype from your app list and tap it open as soon as you reach the home screen of Skype. From your contact list, select the contact you want to call. Simply tap on it and then the pop-up will appear. Tap on a video call. That is how you can make a video call on Skype. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, a comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back with another tutorial episode soon. Thank you for watching.